How to screenshot on Windows 10. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open anything you want to screenshot. Then, in your keyboard, click on Alt plus Print and Scan. After you have clicked on Alt and Print and Scan, you will copy it on your clipboard. And if you want to paste it anywhere, simply click on Ctrl plus V and it will paste your screenshot. This is one way to take screenshot. Another what you can do is go to your search bar at the bottom left. In there, search Snipping Tool. After you've clicked on Snipping Tool, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here at the top, if you click on Mode, you'll find different sniping mode. Select the one you prefer. If you select Freeform, you will be able to select some area you want to screenshot in this way. This is second way to screenshot. And another way what you can do is simply click on Windows, Shift and S key on your keyboard. After you do that, this kind of screen will pop up at the top. You'll find different options. I'm simply gonna click on Full Screen Snipe. It will take full screen screenshot without selecting any area. And this is how to screenshot on Windows 10. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.